Born Chandrasekhar Tiwari on July 23, 1906 in Bhabra, now in Madhya Pradesh, he took the name Azad, meaning free, as a bold declaration of his resolve to never be captured alive. Chandrasekhar was raised in a Brahmin family. His mother wanted him to become a Sanskrit school scholar, so he studied at Kashi Vidyapit in Varanasi. At 15, he joined Gandhi non-cooperation movement. Arrested in late 1921, he definitely told the magistrate his name was Azad. His father's name Swatantrata, Independence, and his address jail. He received 15 lashes but left jail with his spirit unbroken. When Gandhi called off non-cooperation in early 1922, Azad moved toward more radical means. He joined the Hindustan Republic Association (HRA) and helped recognize it into the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association (HSRA), believing in complete independence by any means necessary. Azad took part in the informers Kakori train robbery of 1925 to raise fund for the cause. He was the only conspirator to escape arrest. Azad made the Jhansi region his operational base. He trained fellow revolutionaries in shooting in the forest of Ocha, about 15 kilometers from Jhansi, using disguises and enlicenses like Pandit Harishankar Brahmachari. He evaded British surveillance for years. In 1928, after Lala Lajpat Rai was fatally wounded during a crackdown, Azad and his associates killed Assistant Superintendent of Police John Saunders in Lahore in retaliation. It marked one of his boldest actions against colonial authority. On February 27, 1931, betrayed by an informer, Azad was surrounded by police in Alfred Park, Allahabad. He fought bravely, but when only one bullet remained, he shot himself instead of being captured alive, fulfilling his vow to die Azad. He was just 24. His famous slogan still resonates: दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आजाद ही रहे हैं, आजाद ही रहेंगे. Chandrasekhar Azad remains an icon of unwavering courage and uncompromising patriotism. Institutions, parks, and statues across India bear his name, ensuring that his legacy endures through generation and fame. He lived free, he died free, he is Azad.